The world is facing a climate crisis. Burning fossil fuels creates a blanket of pollution, trapping the sun's heat on Earth and raising global temperatures. This leads to other changes like droughts, severe fires, flooding, and declining biodiversity. Here's how Hartalega is doing our part in the fight against climate change. Guided by our shield values to do the right thing at all times, we are committed to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions intensity by 25% by financial year 2026. One of our key efforts is the installation of 2 cogeneration power plants at our facility. 2/3 of Hartalega's energy is generated by our cogeneration power plants. Here's how cogeneration power plants work. Natural gas is fed into the gas turbine and combusted. The turbine is connected to the generator, which will convert the mechanical energy into electricity. At the same time, hot exhaust gas, which is often wasted, is captured in the heat recovery unit. The captured heat is used to produce hot water. Both electricity and hot water are used in our production. With cogeneration, we achieve higher efficiency in our energy consumption. So how do they help with reducing emissions? The cogeneration power plants use natural gas as fuel, which emits less carbon emissions than coal-fired power plants. Conventional energy generation produces 0.55 kilograms of CO2 equivalent per kilowatt-hour, whereas our cogeneration plants produce 0.26 kilograms of CO2 equivalent per kilowatt-hour. That is 50% less than conventional energy generation. The electricity generated by our cogeneration power plants is more efficient than that generated by conventional power plants. Together, let's build a sustainable future.